Hey everyone, Ian here. I tried to fix a PS3 where the HDMI out was not working, and I failed bad. Hopefully this video will show you what not to do. Let's get to it.
Now that we're down to the board here, you'll see the chip that we are replacing is actually underneath this little heat pad. So the heat pad just comes off, and then there's our replacement. So to take this off, replace it, we're actually going to use a heat gun. So I'm going to get that fired up now. The heat gun I've got set to 350. I am going to put some Kapton tape, some heat protective tape, around some of the little components around it, just to keep them safe. That should work. So how I'm going to get this chip off is I got my tweezers here. I'm going to just concentrate the heat gun down on that chip, and every once in a while just kind of tap it, see if it starts moving. Once it starts moving, just lift it off. To protect my desk, I did get out my mat here. With the heat gun, first thing I'm going to do is apply some flux. Flux is just going to help that solder flow. Just makes everything easier. And with flux, I'm just going to go ahead and put it around all sides of the chip. Not putting that much to start out. I can always add more if I need to. Okay. Now that flux is down, I'm going to start out at 350, and if I need to raise it up, I will. And just going to take the hot air gun and just focus on the top of that chip. You may need to do circles or squares or kind of move it around to make sure you get every inch of that chip. But once it gets warmed up, just start tapping on the side here with my tweezers and see if I can get it to move. Once I see it move, just grab it off. Not moving at 350, so I'm going to go ahead and raise up the temperature. I'll go up to 375 to start. Want some more leverage, so I'm going to move this guy into place here. Still not moving. I'm going to raise the temperature again. Let's go to 400.
And here's where it gets really bad. Just really cranking away at this chip. That didn't sound good. And boom goes the dynamite.
Look how they massacred my boy.
Wow, that was a really bad failure. But either way, every time that I do a repair like this, I get to learn a little bit more, get my technique better, and hopefully in the future I'll be able to do a better job. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.